Achieving naturally beautiful skin isn't only about genetics, it's a result of everyday habits, thoughtful routines, and understanding what your skin truly needs. With countless skincare products and new trends making waves every day, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or confused about the most effective ways to care for your face. However, beneath the surface of all the marketing and miracle promises, simple, scientifically supported habits are the foundation of radiant and healthy skin. Today, let's explore the top 10 do's and don'ts for naturally beautiful skin. Each tip is rooted in practical advice and can help you discover your skin's natural glow, while avoiding some common pitfalls that can hinder your progress. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just starting out on your journey toward better skin, these principles are timeless, universal, and impactful. Let's begin with the first vital practice. Do No. 1. Cleanse gently and consistently. Cleansing is the cornerstone of any skincare routine. Every day, your skin faces environmental pollutants, sweat, natural oils, and buildup from products like sunscreen or makeup. It's essential to cleanse your face morning and evening to remove impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. Use a gentle cleanser designed for your skin type, whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin. Avoid harsh soaps or excessive scrubbing, as these can irritate your skin and lead to more problems. Remember, cleansing should leave your skin feeling fresh and clean, not tight or uncomfortable. Don't. No. 1. Sleep with your makeup on. It might be tempting to collapse into bed after a long day without washing your face, but sleeping in makeup is one of the fastest ways to sabotage your skin. Makeup can clog pores, trap dirt, and contribute to breakouts, dullness, or even accelerate signs of aging. No matter how tired you are, always take a few moments to remove your makeup and cleanse your skin before bed. Your future self and face will thank you. Do. No. 2. Moisturize daily. Moisturizing isn't just for those with dry skin. All skin types, even oily or acne-prone, need proper hydration. When you apply a moisturizer suited for your needs, you help your skin maintain its protective barrier, prevent flakiness, and support healing. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or lightweight oils for extra nourishment. Even if your skin feels oily, skipping moisturizer can actually trigger more oil production, leading to a cycle of imbalances. Don't. No. 2. Over-exfoliate. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, helping to reveal smooth, glowing skin and boost product absorption. However, doing it too often or using harsh scrubs can damage your skin's surface, causing irritation, sensitivity, and redness. Unless your dermatologist recommends otherwise, aim to exfoliate 1 or 2 times per week using gentle, chemical exfoliants like alpha or beta hydroxy acids, or a very mild physical scrub if your skin tolerates it well. Think of exfoliation as a boost, not a daily necessity. Do. No. 3. Wear sunscreen every day. Arguably the most important and effective step in any skincare routine is daily sunscreen. UV radiation from the sun is responsible for up to 80% of visible aging in the skin and increases your risk of skin cancer. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning, even on cloudy days or when you're indoors near windows. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. This simple habit shields your skin from damage, preserves its youthful structure, and enhances its long-term health. Don't. No. 3. Pick at your skin. We all know the temptation. A spot, a blackhead, or a blemish appears, and your fingers instinctively go after it. However, picking, squeezing, or popping pimples can worsen inflammation, spread bacteria, cause scarring, or lead to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Instead, treat breakouts with spot treatments containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, and allow them to heal naturally. If you're struggling with acne, consider seeking advice from a dermatologist for safe, effective solutions. Do. No. 4. Nourish from the inside out. Your skin reflects your inner health. Eating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals supports your skin's natural radiance. Focus on plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, like those from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and quality protein sources. Hydrate well by drinking enough water each day. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon or flax seeds, can also combat dryness and inflammation, helping your complexion stay supple and clear. Don't number 4 rely on fad diets or detoxes. Rapid, unsustainable dieting or extreme cleanses can deplete your body of essential nutrients, ultimately showing on your skin as dullness, irritation, or even acne flare-ups. Rather than falling for quick fixes, aim for long-term balance and moderation. Remember, your skin thrives when your entire body is well-fed and energized. Do number 5. Prioritize sleep. Beauty sleep isn't a myth. Nighttime is when your skin undertakes its most significant repair and regeneration. Poor sleep can disrupt this process, leading to puffiness, dark circles, and lackluster skin. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Quality rest reduces stress hormones in your body, balances hydration levels, and enables your skin to perform at its best. Make your sleep environment as relaxing as possible. Dim lights, cool temperatures, and minimal electronic distractions. Don't number 5. Overload your skin with too many products. With so many trends and miracle products, it's easy to create a skincare routine that's complicated and excessive. Overloading your face with numerous serums, treatments, and actives can backfire, causing irritation, breakouts, or sensitivity. Stick to the essentials: a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Then introduce additional products slowly, one at a time, and monitor how your skin responds. Simple is often more effective. Do number 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress can trigger a cascade of effects throughout your body, including increased oil production, worsening of skin conditions like eczema or acne, and delayed healing. Incorporate stress management techniques into your routine, such as mindfulness, yoga, exercise, or just taking time for activities you love. Your skin, like the rest of your body, flourishes best in a state of calm and balance. Don't number 6 ignore your neck and décolletage. Your skincare shouldn't stop at your jawline. The neck and chest are often neglected, yet these areas are just as vulnerable to sun damage and aging. Extend your cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen habits southward to keep your entire appearance youthful and glowing. Do number 7 use clean tools and hands. Applying skincare with clean hands and using regularly washed brushes or sponges helps prevent the spread of germs and reduces the risk of breakouts or infection. Get into the habit of cleaning your tools, including pillowcases and towels, to minimize bacteria exposure. Don't number 7 smoke or overindulge in alcohol. Smoking deprives your skin of oxygen, accelerates aging, and can contribute to a dull, uneven complexion. Excessive alcohol also dehydrates your skin and impairs its healing abilities. Cutting back or quitting these habits can lead to noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and tone. Do number 8. Listen to your skin. Your skin's needs change with the seasons, your lifestyle, and even hormonal fluctuations. Tune in to how your skin feels each day and adjust your products or routines accordingly. If something is causing irritation or discomfort, scale back and simplify your approach. Your skin communicates with you. Learn to read its signals. Don't number 8. Fall for every skincare trend. Not every new product or treatment is right for your skin. Patch test new products, read ingredient lists, and be wary of bold marketing claims. Sometimes, time-tested basics are superior to the latest fad. Be mindful and research before you invest in the next big thing. Do 9. Seek professional help when needed. If you're facing persistent issues like cystic acne, severe dryness, or skin conditions you aren't sure how to manage, don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist. Professional advice ensures you're using the right strategies for your unique skin and can prevent long-term damage. Don't 9. Skip regular checkup. In addition to self-care, keep up with annual dermatologist visits to monitor for any changes in your skin, especially new moles, persistent irritation, or spots that bleed or don't heal. Early detection of issues is key for health and peace of mind. Do 10. Embrace your natural beauty. Finally, remember that beautiful skin isn't synonymous with flawless skin. Blemishes, freckles, and laughing lines are normal parts of life, and reveal your unique story. Nurturing your skin with love, patience, and consistency will always bring out its very best. In the journey toward naturally beautiful skin, these 10 do's and don'ts provide a gentle, effective framework. By making thoughtful choices and resisting common mistakes, you unlock your skin's true radiance, refreshing, resilient, and uniquely your own.